Your financial freedom starts here if you try these powerful strategies to build multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is like walking a tightrope with no safety net. One slip, and everything can change. But what if you could build a financial foundation so strong, even uncertainty couldn't shake it? Welcome to LifeWise Insights, where we turn smart strategies into lasting stability. Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful ways to build multiple income streams, so you can take control of your future, one step at a time. Strategy 1. Freelancing or consulting. Start with what you already know. Freelancing or consulting lets you monetize your skills, whether it's writing, design, marketing, or coaching. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn make it easier than ever to find clients. You're not just earning, you're building a reputation. Strategy 2. Create digital products. Digital products are the ultimate passive income. Think e-books, templates, guides, or printables. Once created, they can sell over and over again with little effort. Sites like Gumroad or Etsy are perfect for launching your first product. Strategy 3. Launch an online course. You don't need to be a professor to teach. If you've mastered a skill, someone out there wants to learn it. Platforms like Teachable and Skillshare let you turn your knowledge into income. It's scalable, impactful, and deeply rewarding. Strategy 4. Invest in dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks offer income without selling your shares. It's like getting paid just for holding smart investments. Apps like Robinhood or Easy Equities make it simple to start. This is long-term wealth building, quiet, consistent, and powerful. Strategy 5. Explore real estate. Real estate is a classic wealth builder. Whether it's rental properties or REITs, real estate investment trusts, you can earn monthly income and grow your assets. Start small, learn the market, and let your money work for you. Strategy 6. Start a side hustle. Side hustles are where creativity meets opportunity. Try drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or selling handmade goods on Etsy. Low startup costs, high potential. Test, learn, and evolve. It's your personal income lab. Strategy 7. Monetize your blog or YouTube channel. Content creation isn't just passion, it's profit. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links, and product sales can turn your blog or channel into a business. Consistency builds trust. Trust builds income. Strategy 8. Peer-to-peer lending or crowdfunding. Want to support others and earn at the same time? Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding platforms let you invest in small businesses or real estate projects. It's a way to diversify while making a difference. Strategy 9. Subscription-based services. Recurring income is the holy grail. Offer exclusive content, coaching, or community access through a subscription model. It's predictable, scalable, and deeply engaging. Strategy 10. Automate and diversify. The final strategy? Automation and diversification. Use tools to manage your income streams efficiently, track earnings, schedule content, reinvest profits. Don't rely on one stream. Build a river. You don't need to master all 10 strategies today. Just start with one. Build momentum. Financial stability isn't a destination, it's a lifestyle. If this video sparked ideas, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to *LifeWise Insights*, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their future. And stay tuned. Next up, we're diving into how to turn your side hustle into a full-time income. Until then, keep building wisely.